Saya suka untuk menyebutkan satu hadis.
Okay, very good morning to all of you. If there is anything, you can type your questions or any messages on the chat on the live chat area. Actually, I just want to try this because I need to do this for the Ceramah Isra Mi'raj for MGS. Okay, so Can you all hear me clearly? Okay, you can put your question or any messages on the live chat area. Okay. So today we are going to continue with atmospheric pressure. Okay, we have covered liquid pressure. We have discussed question related to liquid pressure. Okay, objective and structure question. So today we are going to focus on atmospheric pressure. Okay, and if you have any question, please type your question on the live chat area. Okay. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe atmospheric pressure, communicate about the value of atmospheric pressure, solve problem in daily life involving various pressure units, describe effect of atmospheric pressure on object at high altitude and underwater. Okay, so these are the things that you should be able to do after this lesson. Okay. So, well, actually, it's a bit lagging because it takes some time for it to appear on the YouTube. Never mind. Um, Atmospheric pressure is the pressure due to the weight of layer of air acting on the surface of the earth. Okay, as you can see, the atmosphere is filled with air. Okay, and air consists of gases. Okay, consists of various type of gases. And if you remember when you hold on. Okay, if you remember in lower primary school, you did experiment where you put air in a balloon and the other balloon without air, and you balance it out. The balloon with air is heavier, or it upper move downward a bit. Okay, so that is because air have mass. Okay, and when there is mass, we have weight. Okay, so the layer of air has weight. When there is weight, and we know that weight is a type of pressure, it will exert pressure onto a surface. Okay, therefore, all objects on the surface of the earth experience atmospheric pressure. So let's say this is you. Okay, so the air is exerting pressure all direction onto you. Okay, human being live on land that are surrounded by air. So the weight of the air uh, exert pressure onto us. Well, actually, if we are to explain the pressure by gas pressure, it is due to the motion of gas. Gas move randomly. So when it moves randomly, it will have momentum. When it hit a surface, it will be an elastic collision. So it hit a surface and then it will bounce back. So there will be a change in momentum. So change in momentum over time is impulsive force. So look at the word force. So we have force onto an area, we get pressure. So that is actually the explanation on why we get pressure in all direction. Sebab kalau we talk about weight, weight is exerted downward kan. We learn that weight is exerted downward, but how come we have force upward? Okay, so this is because there is a change in motion of air molecule when it hit a surface. So change in motion over time, you get impulsive force. Force over an area is pressure. Okay. So we know that air is not just an empty space, it has substance or mass. Okay, air has molecules that are constantly moving. Okay, because air has mass, Earth gravity attract it and give it weight. So this is explanation how air have weight lah. Okay, so let's look at this diagram. We have a person. At first, he was standing on the ground at the sea level. Okay, and then he moved up the mountain and stay on top of the mountain. Okay, so if you look at the column of air from the ground to the top of the mountain, you can see that on the ground, at the sea level, okay, on the ground at the sea level, the molecule of air is more dense. Okay, it's more close to each other, and the number of air is more. But as we go up to higher altitude, to the top of the mountain, the number of air molecule reduces and the molecule is more far apart, okay, and it is less dense. The density of the air, okay, affect the pressure exerted by the atmosphere. Okay, when you are on the sea level, the pressure is higher compared to when you move up a mountain. Okay, as you go up to higher altitude, the pressure will decrease with the density of air. Okay, before we continue, um, can you please respond on the chat area, because I'm not very sure whether you can hear me or not, or am I doing the thing right? Can someone type something on the chat, live chat area, so that I know that I'm doing it right. Okay, and we only have um 10 people here. Um, Actually, I'm testing because I need to handle the ceramah for MJS using live YouTube. So that is why our class today is on live YouTube. So I need to for you to respond so that I know that I'm doing it right. Can someone respond and type something on the chat area? And I see that there is like lagging somehow. Okay, saya buat kat sini dia akan sampai dekat YouTube terlambat sikit. that I noticed. Yes. Oh, it does not come out on my uh, screen. Why ya? Alah, dia nak kena buat macam mana? Why doesn't it come out here? Sorry sebab hari ni ada testing sikit daripada I. Yeah, I cannot see your comment. How what did I do wrong? Because I have the live chat area here, but I can only see my comment. I cannot see yours. Sorry lah, I buat kelas sambil belajar. Yeah. Why Never mind. So everybody can hear me kan? Okay. So we continue. Okay. So okay. Now I see your comment. Okay. So we have watched a video on the activity where we fill a glass filled with water and then we place a cardboard onto the glass. Okay, when the person invert the glass, the water did not spill out. Okay, so the observation is the water does not flow out. So what is the explanation? I think now you can comment in the chat area. Hopefully I can see your comment. Ah, not a good medium for me to do class because I cannot see anything in the live chat area. Okay, so I cannot see your response. Okay, never mind. In the video, it shows that there is an explanation at the end of the video, isn't it? Okay, it explained that the water did not flow out because we have atmospheric pressure pushing upward. Okay, so there are two pressure. One is liquid pressure, which is acting downward, and we have atmospheric pressure pushing upward. Okay, the liquid pressure is due to the weight of the liquid, whereas atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of the air in the atmosphere. Okay, so here the atmospheric pressure is bigger than the weight of the water. Okay, that is why the uh, cardboard stays at the uh, mouth of the glass and the water did not lose out. Okay, so this is the explanation. Yes, we went. The atmospheric pressure is larger than the water pressure inside the glass. Okay, so this is the explanation lah. Okay, so let's watch another video. Okay, so the video is about this activity. Okay, so actually can't hear any sound. Video too soft. Oh, cannot hear. Um, is it possible for us to go to Google Meet? Okay, so we stop. I'll stop broadcasting, and I'll share a Google Meet link in the group.